Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze my forecast for the Euro USD for the next move. I am in the 4-hour chart Euro USD. You can see I am already do this candle like this. It has several moves completed and price will be dropped down to the below level 1.05 is my target. It's the sell opportunity for Euro USD. I am forecasting this candle. I am already draw. You can see this type of candles. Price is dropped to the below for the my forecast Euro USD. That's the technical picture in this move Euro USD. Now I am forecasting economic data. I am moved to the global interest rates websites. I am moved to the American Central Bank Fed interest rate regarding US dollar. Fed interest rate now is 4.74. It's a aggressive interest rate hypothesis in Fed currently doing 4.75 is the now current interest rates. That's the last week was held. CPI data was released regarding US dollars, but inflation data is not controlled as expected. So US central bank Fed is expecting, I'm thinking, to go to the interest rate hike process continue to the above 5%. Now I am in the European Central Bank ECB. I would like to go into European Central Bank ECB is now is a 3% interest rate hike process. That's the below than Fed's interest rate. European Central Bank ECB can't be doing like Fed interest rate hike process like 4.54, like 4.755 can't be due to Central Bank of European ECB. It's just several European Union countries is there, therefore it can't be due hike interest rate like 4.5%. It's just a 3% interest rate is currently going. So Germany is the most affected country in European Union. So that's the ECB is below interest rates than the Fed. So therefore Fed is aggressive hike process in interest rates with the CPI data. So US dollar is getting more demand as well. So we are trading Euro USD based. The US dollar is get the demand in its interest rates with the hike process. So US dollar with get the demand as well than the euro. That's the economic data view picture for Euro USD. Now let's move to the technical picture for your sell opportunity Euro USD. That's the I already mentioned economic data, interest rates. That's the US dollar gets the demand. That's this candle. I am in 4-hour chart in trading view chart. This candle will be break and price drop to the below sides. My first target is below black line color 1.05, 1.04 is my first target for drop to the Euro USD. My second target I am using Fibonacci for get my second target. That's I am in daily chart now. So 0.618 Fibonacci level is my second target for the Euro USD sell opportunity. That's the sell opportunity for Euro USD, and the economic data analyzed and technical picture already analyzed. So You can get the trade from the smaller time frames, confirmations, and money management as well. So sell opportunity, take a trade and get the profits. Thank you very much.